Hello students, today we will start a new topic, that is care of urinary drainage or care of care of catheters. So in this we have to provide the care for the patient who are bedridden and who are using the urinary drainage bags. So in that time, why we have to providing the care to provide proper comfort and to prevent from any further infection or any urinary tract infection. So in this way we will providing the proper care to the patient. Then definition. So cleansing the urethral meatus. Firstly, we have to clean the urethral meatus, the skin surrounding the catheter insertion site. मतलब we have to clean the insertion site of that particular skin. Means the catheter जहाँ से insert हुआ है, वो पूरे surrounding skin को we have to clean, and perineum for patient with retention catheter who are bedridden. अगर patient bedridden है and if retention hai, so in that time we have to clean the catheter or we have to clean the urinary drainage. So in this way we have to provide the care for the patient who are bedridden and the patient who are using the catheter. Then what are the purpose? So to promote patient comfort with the help of this care of urinary drainage, we have to promote comfort to the patient. Then next is the to reduce chances of developing urinary tract infection. Then if we will providing the proper care to the patient of urinary catheter, so in that way the infection it will be reduces the chance of developing the urinary tract infection. Why it will be reducing? Because if we will clean with the antiseptic solution, so in that way the microorganisms, because we will insert a foreign body into the patient's body, so a catheter, it acts as a foreign body into patient body. So in this way we have to clean the urinary catheter. So when we will clean, so the patient's microorganism, the patient which will be safe from the from infections. Then what all articles which will be required for this care? So sterile catheter care kit containing sterile, एक sterile catheter care kit होता है जो मैंने आप लोगों को catheterization procedure में बताया था. उसमें artery forceps, thumb forceps, cotton ball, swab, ball for antiseptic lotion and sterile water. These all things which will be kept in this article, that is catheter care kit. Then a clean tray. Clean tray में क्या क्या रहेगा? Clean washcloth or towel to, then warm water and soap to clean that area. Then we have to also kept the antiseptic lotion, normal saline, Macintosh and waterproof pad and draw sheet. Then antibiotic ointments. Then we will kept the clean gloves, and we have to also kept the sterile gloves. Both gloves we have to kept in the tray. Then drapes, then kidney tray to discard liquid waste, then adhesive tapes and scissors to to paste the catheter or to place the catheter in a proper position. So we have to use the adhesive tape, and to cut the adhesive tape we have to use the scissor. Then procedure. So firstly we have to prepare necessary equipment and supplies. Then after that we have to explain the procedure to the patient, offer opportunity for self-care if possible. Means if patient which will be able to perform anything, so in that time we have to give the opportunity for self-care. But if the patient is bedridden and the patient is not able to doing anything, and if the patient is unconscious or semi-conscious, in that time we have to explain the procedure to their family member, and we have to do all things alone only. And sometime we will take the help from the relatives also. Then provide privacy for maintain patient self-esteem. So we have to provide, because in this procedure, in this type of procedure we have to expose the patient's private area. So we have to provide the proper privacy, or we have to maintain the privacy. Then wash hand for reduces microorganisms transmission. Then we have to wash the hand So when we will wash the hands, so it will be reduces the transmission of microorganisms. Then we have to position the patient. So for it will be different for male and female. So in female, I have already told you, we will give the dorsal recommend position with leg flexed, because in this position only we will see the प्रॉपर यूरेथ्रा, हम पेशेंट का जो यूरेथ्रा है उसको प्रॉपरली देख सकते हैं. And if we have to providing the care of catheter, in that time also we will see the urinary metres, and we will providing the proper cleanliness of that particular area. And in male we have to give the supine position. Then after giving the position, we have to place waterproof pad, Macintosh and draw sheet under patient for protect bed linen from soiling. Then we have to place a waterproof pad. हम लोग को पेशेंट को वाटरप्रूफ पैड रखना है, मैकिंटॉश और ड्रॉ शीट अंडर पेशेंट फॉर protect bed linen. Otherwise, when we will clean the catheter or that private area, in that time the patient's bed linen which will be soiled. Then drap sheet over patient exposing only perineal area from for prevent unnecessary exposure. Means we have to cover the patient and we have to drap the sheet over the patient from exposing the patient's body. We have to only expose the perineal area of the patient. It will be for both male and female. Then after that, when we will give the proper position to the patient, we will when we will cover the patient, after that we have to done clean glove. Then after wearing clean glove, remove anchor tapes to free catheter tubing, because if we will not attach the anchor tap of the catheter, so इन दैट वे वो जो कैथेटर है वो अपनी जगह से मिसप्लेस हो सकता है, या पेशेंट हिल रहा है, डुल रहा है, कुछ भी इंजरी होने के चांसेस रहते हैं, या निकलने के चांसेस रहते हैं. निकलने के चांसेस बहुत कम रहते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी इधर उधर होगा तो जो कैथेटर है वो खिंचा जाता है, कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है. इसलिए वी हैव टू अटैच विद द एंकर टिप्स. देन एक्सपोजर द यूरेथ्रल मिटस. उसके बाद हमको विद द हेल्प ऑफ नॉन डोमिनेटिंग हैंड हमको एक्सटर्नल मिटस को एक्सपोज करना है. एंड इन फीमेल जेंटली रिट्रैक्ट लेबिया. हमको किसको रिट्रैक्ट करना है? वी हैव टू रिट्रैक्ट द लेबिया to fully. जब हम then we will retract the labia, in that time only we will fully expose the urethral meatus and catheter insertion site, जहाँ से catheter अंदर गया है, and the urethral meatus we will be exposed. So when we will expose that area, after that only we will clean that particular area. So maintain position of hand throughout procedure. When we will performing the procedure, in that time we have to maintain the patient position with the help of our hand throughout procedure. पूरे procedure में हमको हाथ से position को maintain करके रखना है. Then for male patient, retract foreskin if patient is not circumscribed, and hold penis at shaft just below gland. We have to hold the penis at shaft area just below the glands. Then maintaining position of hand throughout the procedure. Then after that, we have to assess the urethral meatus and surrounding tissue for inflammation. We have to see that patient is having any inflammation, swelling and discharge. Note amount, color, order and consistency of discharge. Agar if the patient is having any discharge, so in that time we have to note down the amount, means how much the discharge which will be present, what is the color of the discharge, and what is the order and consistency of the discharge. Then ask patient if burning or discomfort is felt. हमको patient से पूछना है अगर patient को कोई burning sensation हो रहा है during the time of passing urine, या patient को कोई discomfort है, pain है, तो हमको patient से पूछना है. Then cleanse perineal tissue. Then after that we have to cleanse the perineal tissue. Then in female we have to use clean clothes, soap and water and clean towards anus. अब उसके बाद we have to take a clean soap and clean cloth. Then after that we have to take soap and water and clean towards anus. मतलब urinary meatus से लेकर के हमको anus तक clean करना है. Cleanse catheter first and then meatus. पहले हमको catheter clean करना है. Then after that we have to clean the meatus, labia minora and majora. Be sure to cleanse each side and dry area well. Means we have to clean the right side of the labia majora minora and left side of the labia majora minora, and we have to dry that area. If we will kept moist in that particular area, in that time it will be developing the chance of microorganism in that area. So we have to dry that area well. And for male, we have to cleanse the catheter first and then clean from urethral meatus till gland penis in circular motion. हमको पहले जो कैथेटर है उसको पहले क्लीन करना है, देन क्लीन फ्रॉम यूरेथ्रल मिटस, और यूरेथ्रल मिटस को ग्लैंड तक पेनिस ग्लैंड्स पेनिस को सर्कुलर मोशन में हमको क्लीन करना है. देन रीअसेस यूरेथ्रल मिटस फॉर एनी डिस्चार्ज. फिर से हमको रीअसेस करना है कि यूरेथ्रल मिटस से कोई डिस्चार्ज तो नहीं हो रहा है. देन आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू रिमूव द क्लीन ग्लास and wash hand. Then after that we have to done a sterile glass, clean the perineal area with disinfectant. It will be in two conditions, means we will kept in the tray. First is the soap water. So first we have to clean all the catheter or that perineal area with soap solution. Then after that we have to clean the perineal area with disinfectant. So before cleaning with disinfectant, first we have to wear the sterile gloves. Then in female, we have to retract the labia and wipe using sterile cotton swab dipped in antiseptic solution from center to periphery. इसमें हमको क्या करना है, सेंटर से पेरिफेरी क्लीन करना है इन अ स्ट्रेट स्ट्रोक फ्रॉम फ्रंट टू बैक. फ्रंट से बैक में हमको क्लीन करना है, और स्ट्रेट वे में कहाँ पे रिट्रैक्ट लेबिया को रिट्रैक्ट करके हमको उस एरिया को क्लीन करना है यूजिंग 1 cotton ball for each stroke. हर स्ट्रोक के लिए we have to use a 1 cotton ball only. And in male, retract foreskin and wipe using swabs from center to periphery in circular stroke. Then repeat the previous steps using cotton. Means we have to repeat the procedure, previous step. जब तक वो एरिया क्लीन नहीं होता तब तक हमको उसको क्लीन करते रहना है. वी हैव टू यूज कॉटन स्वैब soaked in sterile water, या फिर नॉर्मल सलाइन में हमको सोक करके वी हैव टू क्लीन. देन आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू अप्लाई द एंटीसेप्टिक ऑइंटमेंट एंड यूरेथ्रल मेटस and along 2.5 centimeter of catheter. If the patient is having any infection, in that time we have to use the antiseptic ointment. Then place patient in safe and comfortable position. We have to place the patient, after completing these all procedures, we have to place the patient in safe and comfortable position. Then we have to remove the gloves, dispose of contaminated supplies, and we have to wash the hand. Then after that we have to record and report condition of perineal tissue, the time procedure was performed, patient's response, and any abnormalities noted. मतलब after completing all the procedure, replace the articles, hand wash, then after that we have to record and report the condition of perineal tissue, and we have to provide the time of procedure which will be performed. Then patient's response, patient का response कैसा था. If we were see any abnormality in the patient, so in that time we have to note down, and we have to tell to the nursing superintendent also. So these all are about the topic of care of urinary drainage or catheter care. So in this way we have to clean the catheter care. Means when we will providing catheter, अगर हमने किसी पेशेंट को कैथेटर लगा दिया उसके बाद हमको छोड़ना नहीं है, हमको पेशेंट को कैथेटर केयर भी बीच बीच में प्रोवाइड करते रहना है, सो दैट द इन्फेक्शन, जो भी इन्फेक्शन है या आगे चल करके माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स उसमें डेवलप ना हो, या फिर sometime the patient is having the problem of infection because of this catheter. So in that time we have to remove the catheter, and we have to cut the tip of the catheter into the, and we have to kept in a culture sensitivity bottle, and we have to send to the laboratory. Then we will see that because of that catheter the patient is having the problem of infection, and which microorganism or which bacteria which will be present in that catheter, so that the doctor which will be giving the proper treatment to the patient. So we have to check that the patient is having that the patient is showing any symptoms like fever, or if the patient is complaining that the patient is having the dysuria, or any बर्निंग सेंसेशन, ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम पेशेंट को कैथेटर लगाने के 2-3 दिन के बाद या 1 वीक के बाद अगर हो रहा है, सो दीज आर द सिम्टम्स विच विल बी प्रेजेंट बिकॉज ऑफ infection which will be produced by the catheter. So we have to provide this catheter care to prevent from the development of microorganisms. So these all are about my topic. So thank you.